Quick tutorial, how to fill fuel into a filter the right way. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the proper way to fill fuel into a filter. So when you're filling fuel into the filter, make sure to pour it in through the small side holes, not the center hole. Why? Because those side holes are there to help the filter do its job, catching dirt and debris. If you pour fuel straight into the center hole, there's a good chance the dirt bypasses the filter completely and goes directly to the next components, like the injectors. And we definitely don't want that. Also, before installing the filter, it's a good idea to apply a bit of lubricant on the side seals. This helps make the installation smoother and prevents friction or damage. That's it for this quick tutorial on how to properly fill fuel into a filter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.